Hey fans, it's the chemist here. Welcome to another series of keeping your brain mathematically inclined. So today we'll be looking at percentage. Let's go straight into it. Now, let us look at the word percent or, or the symbol, right? This is a symbol for percent, and percent means per hundred. Now, 20% is the same as 20 upon 100. Now what this really means is 20 taken out from this 100. That's 20%. 20% of 100 is 20. Is you're taking out 20 from 100. 20% of 200 is like this. 20% times 200. Or 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Because you're taking out 20 from each 100 here. Right? 20 per 100. So 20 from 100 plus 20 from the other 100 is 40. But we don't really do it like this because when we have like thousands and so on to deal with, we can't just keep adding 20 all the time. Right? So this is a simple method to do it. So we can cancel both zeros here with both zeros here. We can cancel 1 0 here, 1 0 here, and 1 0 here with 1 0 here. Anyhow, we get the same answer, right? So let's try it this way, both zeros. So 20 times 2 is equal to same 40, right? 20 plus 20 equal to 40, right? This is how we calculate percent, right? Let's just look at this. So we have a blender and it costs 24,000. And the discount for the blender is at 40% discount. There's a sale and you have 40% discount on this blender here. That is 24,000. How do we know how much money we have to pay for this blender after the discount? So the discount is 40%. So we have 40 over 100, which is how this is how we write 40% of, and we just replace the word of with a multiplication sign. 24,000 over 1, right? So this is how we set down a percentage to find how much money we have to pay. So first we have to work this out. So as I said again, we can cancel this 2 0 with this 2 0, or we can cancel 1 0 here, 1 0 here. This one at the top with this one here. Anyhow you do it, whether both here and both at the bottom, you will still have the same answer, right? So let's work this out. 4 times 0 rather, 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times another 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8 and 1, 9. So 40% of 24,000 is $9,600, right? So this is the discount. This here is what they're taking off from the 24,000 when you buy the blender, right? So this is the 40% discount. Now to know how much money you have to pay, you just get the total, which is 24,000, and you subtract the 9,600. So 0 from 0 is 0, 0 from 0 is 0. 6 from 0 cannot work. You can't take 6 from nothing. So we take 1 from this 4, this becomes 3, and this becomes 10. So 6 from 10 is 4. You can't take 9 from 3 either, so we take the 1 from here and this remain 1. Put that 1 in front there, this becomes 13. So 9 from 13 is 4. And nothing from 1 remains 1. So 14,400 is the discount. Sorry, is not the discount. This is what you will be paying for the blender, right? So after the discount, which is 9,600, this is what you will be actually paying for the blender. This will be the new price after the discount, right? So stay safe. I'm out.